Well, whether you are the type of person who packs days before a vacation or you're the one packing 10 minutes before you leave, packing can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Pamela Holt is here. She's a travel expert, the host of Me, Myself, and the World, The Art of Solo Travel on Amazon Prime. Good to see you.
Hello, thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here. I want you to tell me about Me, Myself, and the World, The Art of Solo Travel. What a cool idea.
Thank you. It was born out of a love of solo travel. Solo travel literally saved my life, and I've been to over 92 countries and territories.
Oh my gosh.
And I actually give packing tips within the show in Me, Myself, and the World. I share literally the art of solo travel.
And it's so important. I was telling you, I just went on a trip and I overpacked and I had a carry-on bag and I was wishing I didn't have that. So you're going to give us 5 pieces of advice that are going to help us travel, especially when it comes to packing. And I want to start with the first one. You say multifunctional bags or luggage are key.
Yes, absolutely. So if you only get to bring so much baggage or so much luggage, you want it to be multifunctional. This is the Transit Carry-On Duffel Backpack by Travel-On, and what I love is it carries just like a duffel, fixed like weeks-long clothing. It can be a crossbody. But then when you get to your destination, you unpack and it turns into a backpack.
That's so smart.
And they have a secret zipper on the inside so pickpocketers can't get you, or when you're out on your day trip.
I love that. You also are a fan of maximizing space. I like this, the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 rule. What's that?
It's 5 tops for packing for a week, 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 3 accessories, 2 shoes, and 1 bathing suit. And they can fit in these compression packing cubes, which I actually divide by categories. So tops in ones, bottoms in the other. And when you compress it, it really helps it to get into a bag this size for a week.
I have only recently started using packing cubes. They are a lifesaver.
Yes.
They really are. You must really rely on those for solo travel.
Yep, they maximize space, and also you can kind of put one in your carry-on. If you end up checking a bag, put an extra one in your carry-on so you have an extra set of clothes.
You are also a fan of rolling clothes instead of folding them. Talk to me about why.
I do, because you know what? It helps me when I'm ironing. I literally have these rolled. It helps with ironing. It doesn't, you don't get all the creases. So when I get to my destination, I just kind of have to touch things up.
Do you roll them a particular way? Because I'm always afraid I'm going to roll the wrinkles in.
I do a judicious little bit of fold that might look nice in the shirt.
Okay.
And then I don't do a tight roll at the top, because then that's going to crinkle it up. I do more of a loose roll.
I love that. Okay, you say don't lose your mind over lost luggage.
Yes, I experience lost luggage forever, and this is the Apple AirTag, which everybody's familiar with. They're like $29, I think, online. But the pro tip, everyone puts it in their suitcase, their purse. I put it in my passport right here for international travel. It can be a lifesaver. Just if you misplace it, it gets dropped. Sometimes they get stolen and they're thrown.
Right.
So you can track your Apple, your passport, your bag, your purse.
I think that's brilliant. We used them on this trip recently.
Yeah.
I mean, it just is comforting to know where your stuff is all the time.
I've landed before and literally tracked my bag.
I love that. You say ditch the souvenir dust collectors.
Yes, everybody gets tchotchkes, and I say go for souvenirs that are beautiful and memorable and usable. I love this. So this is the Olacala bag. They're beautiful. They're designed in the Caribbean, and they're made in Spain with leather and raffia. They make any outfit look amazing, right?
Yes.
But the hidden treasure is on the inside. The lining of the bag is actually a map of the Caribbean. I actually have it here. So this map of the Caribbean is on the inside, and Olacala, with their design, their thoughtful design, they have turned this from an accessory to a true memento of your travels.
Yeah, that's nice.
So every time I look in, I'm like, oh, I remember when I went to St. Thomas.
I was there.
And it's wonderful, and it's not sitting there collecting dust. It is a true treasure.
I love that. And I have 30 seconds left, but you say secure your belongings.
Yes, I'm going to go right over here.
Please. Here, let's switch sides.
Great. This is the 007 of bags. This is also by Travel-On. There are wires going through here. So this is slash resistant. The bag is slash resistant. And then all these great locking features. The Travel-On anti-theft series and Porta Pocket, which is a discreet way to hold your your money, your ID, everything, and you can just hide it under your clothes, and it's better than hiding it here or here, where they look for those, criminals look in those places. So. Yeah, Porta Pocket and the Travel-On anti-theft bag.
There are so many of those options now out in the world. I love that we have more options. Thank you for coming to see us.
Thank you.
Let's put all the information up on the screen. Check out our show, too, on Amazon Prime. It's always nice to get some advice and some tips, some tricks of the trade from somebody who does it quite a bit. Thanks, Pamela.
Thank you.